Hey guys, today I'll be plotting contours in 3D. To this end, we need the contour method. This method works in a similar way as in 2D. You can specify the stride as well as the projection direction. For the latter, you use the zdir argument, which by default is set to z, but you can set it to x or y as well. Have a look at this simple example. So, the imports, and now let's create the x and y values. Now let's format the data. This is used to format the data. Now let's define the values of z using the sine function. And now let's create a figure and axis. We have to set projection to 3D. And now let's plot. Here we have 20 steps and the projection direction is z. Good. Let's run it. And here's the result. And now let's change the number of steps to 100. So 100 instead of 20. Good. Run. And this is what we get. And now let's change the projection direction to x. So not z, but x. And we have reset the number of steps to 20 again. Run. And this is what we get. And now let's set it to y. And here is the result. If you want to fill the spaces between the lines, you should use the contour F method instead. So, contour F instead of contour. If you run this, these spaces between lines will be filled. Good. And that's it as far as this topic is concerned. In the next part of this series, we'll be talking about wireframes and surface plots in 3D. Hey guys, my name is Kamel and I'm a Python programmer, and today I would like to talk about my book, GUI Programming with Python and Kivy. Now in this book we're creating a project from scratch.
Oh, no.
Now here you can see some samples from the book. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this book, you will find the links to it down in the description below. So, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you will have at least as much fun reading my book as I had writing it. So, see you around. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.